The error wireless capability is turned off happens because power management turned off the wireless capability when not in use, or when your battery can't cope up with the power that needs to be supplied. So let me show you steps in order how to fix this error. So let's click on Start menu, go to Control Panel and open Network Connections, and we need to we need to go to Internet Sharing Center, change adapter settings. So here is your wireless, right click, Properties, and select here Client from Microsoft Network, click on Configure, one more time, Properties, Configure, okay, click on Power Management, and if you see tick here, you should remove that, click on OK. So this should fix your internet connection. If this not happens, then you need to check if your Wi-Fi was accidentally switched off from the Windows Mobility Center. To do so, in the same window, Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network Connections. So simply click on Control Panel and type here Windows Mobility Center. So simply type here Mobility and you will see this option. Click on it, and here is usually from here you can switch on your Wi-Fi. If you are not able to click on this button, so then it means your Wi-Fi connection is switched off on your keyboard. So if you're probably you are using a laptop, so simply check your keyboard and find a button like this one and click on it. Then it should start working like this, so it's like Wi-Fi signal. If you have old model laptop, then you should combination of this button and F5. So this is the easiest way how you can switch on your internet connection back. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, sub to this channel, and leave a comment below if this video helps you or not. Thank you for watching.